Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubha here. Today's challenge is 4 beaches in 4 hours. Is it possible? Yes. Let's try. The beach what we're going to start with is Morjim, Mandrem and then Arambol, and the last beach will be the Keri beach, which is to the end of the north side. So let's see and let's explore. Let's go. Here I am having my breakfast because I have to get ready for the trip and covering all the 4 beaches. So I won't get time in the sense I won't be able to stop on the way for having anything. So let's see. So that's why I'm having my breakfast first and getting energetic to go. So and we have to cover a task also. So let's see.
Just keep it playful, let your spirit fly. We can touch the
So now we are going to approach towards the Siolim bridge.
watch the pretty colors.
We have to cross this bridge and then we have to go towards the Morjim. So from here it's very beautiful.
It's a beautiful challenge, a vibrant scene. Living life like it's a technicolor dream. Just keep it playful, let your spirit fly. We can touch the sky.
There are few cars, few नहीं बहुत सारे क्या cars already आ चुके हैं. It's summer time in Goa, so people love visiting the beaches. So थोड़ा सा तो crowd है ऐसा मुझे लगता है. I don't know. So let's see कैसा क्या है. First I have to find a place for parking. So we reached the Morjim beach. And now the task for this beach is we have to spot the turtle nesting site. So we have to see that and yeah, but main thing is we should not be disturbing them, and photography and videography is totally not allowed, okay, by the tourism and the forest department. So yeah, so let's
Left foot, right foot. Find the flow, watch the pretty colors glow. Every stumble, every leap. Just keep it playful, let your spirit fly. We can touch the sky.
Okay, this is a site. This is the olive ridley sea turtle nesting site, and as you can say, they have mentioned you should not supposed to disturb them. Okay, so let's see if we can see or sight from outside only any turtle.
Foot, right foot. Find
So
the
guys,
flow, watch the pretty
Turtle
colors
तो नहीं
glow.
मिला, but we found a crab, a small crab.
Every stumble, every leap. Just keep it playful, let your spirit fly. We can touch the sky.
We finished with the Morjim beach and the task. So now we are going towards the Mandrem beach. Okay, so let's go there.
Just keep it playful,
So
let your
guys, we have left from Morjim and now we are heading towards Mandrem beach. अभी it's 9 o'clock, तो अभी 1 घंटा तो already हो चुका है. We just have 3 hours remaining with us. So
Just keep it playful, let your spirit fly.
we almost arrived.
Touch the sky. Just keep it playful.
Okay, तो we reached, लेकिन I did not get parking in Mandrem. So I had to park the other way around, मतलब बाहर आके मुझे park करना पड़ा. And so now I'll be going to Ashram beach and वहाँ से चल we'll be going to the Mandrem beach. So yeah, so this is.
Just keep it playful, let your spirit fly. We can touch the sky.
Okay, before we reach, I need to tell you the task for this Mandrem beach. It is to find a very peaceful spot in Mandrem, which Mandrem is already famous for. So let's go and find some peace in Mandrem beach.
Just keep it playful, let your
So we are at the Mandem beach and I'm sitting here and it's very beautiful beach. The thing is, it's very less crowded. There are no more, there is no crowd at all. Few people here and there. And the beach is so beautiful and it's so clean. Seriously, it's very peaceful out here. You know what? There are some fishermen there. They're trying to get, their net is already in the water and they're trying to get the fish. So let's go there. Hey, we got some crabs here. Now the net is out. We are removing the fish from the net. And I think after this they will take the fish to the market for selling it. So we have to rush now because I've already spent a lot of time on this fishing activity, which is very exciting. So let's see. Now we have to go to the next beach, which is Arambol. We are already running out of time. So let's go. So I am leaving Mandrem now and going to Arambol to find some energetic vibes there. And I'm a little bit thirsty also, so let's see if I can get a good cafe. So that will be my next task, to find a good cafe in Arambol and obviously to check out the energetic vibes in Arambol. So we reached Arambol. As you can see, there is a lot of parking here behind me. Here se you can make out the crowd, and for the parking they charge 100 here. So let's go and check out. So we reached here and as you can see बहुत crowd है, जितना सोचा था उससे तो ज़्यादा ही crowd है, and you can see people enjoying here. Over here there are a lot of water sports activities also, so you can come and enjoy all these activities. So now it's time to complete our target. Now we have to go and find a cafe for relaxing and chilling out. So let's find out. Chalo. Apparently we found a cafe by name Laughing Buddha. So let's check out. We have come to this place called Laughing Buddha, which is along the Arambol beach. And yeah, it's a nice calm and relaxing place. So I've ordered some juice for me. So quickly going to have that and we're going to go for our last beach of this challenge, which is the Keri beach. So let's get fresh and let's go. I wanted to spend some time here, but yeah, I have to go to the last destination, that is the Keri beach. So let's go. Going towards the Keri beach. The roads are very narrow. Not yet reached the Keri beach, but about to reach. I'm already feeling the quiet vibes of this place. So it's 11:55 as you can see, and we are going to reach in another 2 minutes, I hope so. Let's see if we are able to complete our target. We already reached the Keri beach, and my target is to reach to the end of this beach, that is the end of the Keri beach. So I just have 2 or 3 minutes remaining, so let's go. So with this, I've completed my today's task as well as the challenge. The challenge which was 4 beaches in 4 hours, but the experience was too good because this is something which I've done for the first time. I've never done this before. So overall the experience was very good. It was a little tiring, but it was worth it. So, for more such videos, please subscribe, share, and like. 4 beaches, one day, and Goa still feels endless.